Hey guys, today I will show you how to change your MoneyLion repayment debt. So first, what you need to do is open the MoneyLion app on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside, tap on the dollar icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will bring up an interface with several options. From here, look for the loan section, which is usually the second option, and tap on it. In this area, you'll see the details of your current loan. Even if you haven't taken a loan before, the process is straightforward. Once you find your loan details, search for the repayment or payment settings option and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see all the information related to your repayment schedule. Now, select the option that lets you change your repayment date. A calendar will appear, allowing you to choose a new date that works better with your budget. Before confirming, make sure to review any possible fees or adjustments that might come with the change. When you're satisfied with your choice, confirm the update. You should then receive a notification or confirmation message letting you know that your repayment debt has been successfully updated. Making this change can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid late fees. If you face any difficulties, simply reach out to MoneyLion customer support for help. Thanks for watching.